If you want to make money online but don't have skills, experience, or a big budget, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful AI tools that beginners are using right now to earn money online. No coding, no advanced setup, just smart use of AI. Let's get started. The first and most powerful AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you write content, generate ideas, create emails, write scripts, help clients with basic tasks. How beginners make money with ChatGPT. You can offer services like blog writing, product descriptions, Fiverr gig descriptions, social media captions, YouTube scripts. You don't need to be an expert writer. You just give clear instructions to ChatGPT, edit the output, and deliver it to clients. Where to get clients? Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn. Many beginners are earning $5 to $50 per task using only ChatGPT. The second tool is Canva AI. Canva helps you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business flyers, logos, ads, and banners with AI features like magic design, text to image, background removal. How beginners make money with Canva. You can sell thumbnail design services, social media posts packages, simple logo designs, ad creatives for businesses. You don't need Photoshop. Everything is drag and drop, and Canva even gives you ready-made templates. Many freelancers make $10 to $100 per project using Canva. The third tool is AI. Video tools. These tools help you create videos without showing your face, generate background videos, add AI voiceovers, create content for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. How beginners make money. Start a faceless YouTube channel. Create short videos for clients, offer video editing services. You can use AI voices, stock, or AI-generated videos. Simple captions. This is perfect if you don't want to speak or show yourself on camera. Final tip, important for beginners. Don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one AI tool, practice daily, and start offering small services. AI doesn't replace humans. People who know how to use AI replace those who don't. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. This channel, the Smart Earn Lab, is all about AI tools, online income, freelancing, smart ways to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.